Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by clearing immediate bottlenecks. Free at least 20% of the SSD to prevent fragmentation and slow load times because the system needs headroom to manage caches. Once done, update both console firmware and your games to get performance patches and stability fixes. Next, perform a full shutdown and unplug for 10 seconds to clear transient memory and controller connections. This often resolves temporary slowdowns. Make sure you're on a wired network or strong Wi-Fi for subsequent downloads and tests. You now tackle the deeper optimizations. Move heavy titles from external HDD to the internal SSD to reduce texture streaming delays and lower load times. Storage speed directly affects runtime performance. Then disable background downloads and automatic installs so the console dedicates CPU and I/O to your game, not updates. Adjust display and game settings, enable performance mode, cap resolution if needed, and use 120Hz only when supported. Once complete, reboot and test frame pacing to confirm smoother gameplay. You finish with fine-tuning and a key troubleshooting step. Clear reserved storage and any leftover cache by repeating a power cycle and removing unused apps. This reduces I/O contention. Make sure your console is prioritized on the router or use Ethernet to minimize latency and packet loss. Network lag can feel like a slow console. If problems remain, reset network settings first, then consider a factory reset as a last resort, backup saves. If resets fail, contact support with logs and exact symptoms.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.